Alright guys, ito yung successful trial and error. So meron tayong flame punch effect, yan. Tapos yung iba, syempre yung lalagay lang sa braso na konting parang flame effect lang, yan. So kaya madami. Nalagyan ko yung nightmare spawn at saka yung dalawang spawn ko dito. So kukulayin na lang natin to ng green. Alright. Alright, as always, we will be using Armored Komodo, Armored Komodo paint, yan,
What happened here?
which is the fluorescent green. Yan, guys. Yan. Big shout out to Armored Komodo. Yan. Para sa ating spawn flame effects. Let's go.
Out of my way.
And for our top coat, para glossy finish siya, is Vallejo Glossy Varnish. Yan, let's go.
Yes, he worked for me. Answer to the name of Diane. Units are rolling.
Cyan, you know her. What are you gonna do? You're gonna help get the kid back?
Attention, assholes. This is the police. Drop all weapons. Come up with your hands. Over your head.
Which hell you ain't your dick on? Where the hell have you been? Got this cop killing kidnapping bastard corner. You get away.
Can add some water as well para at least mag-spread siyang konti.
Hold your fire. Hey, Preacher, just let the
Boy, go, and no one has to get hurt here.
Oh, yes. Someone does.
He's armed. Don't be a fool.
calm down. You want to do anything stupid, just give me the grenade. I promise you that you and the boy will be protected.
So,
Alright guys, ito na siya. Nalagyan ko na lang siya ng top coat. Ayan. Ito meron na. Para magmukha siyang glossy, di ba? Panalo, ang ganda. Oh. Alright. So pwede din kayong gumawa nito guys para meron kayong effects. Let's go.
that's a wrap.
He's stressed.
Ito na siya guys.
It's considered a trick.
Lucy, come on.
Yeah,
show me those legs. That's it. Yeah. Woo! You're not a nice man. The guardian's gonna get you. No.
Hey, I love that boy.
Harley.